All right, YouTube. So, anyways, I had a piece of steel that rusted steel I soaked for 2 hours in my muriatic acid bath. This is 6 gallons of muriatic acid. I just threw in another one here, so it's starting to do its thing. Anyways, so here's the finished piece that I had in my first video. You can see it did a pretty good job at getting the rust off, but if you look kind of closely, you can see these were all where the rust lied. So you can see the imperfections in the steel there, which is irrelevant to me. You know, it's going to be a trailer that I'm going to paint up anyway. So, but yeah, you could see the grooves here in the metal, the pitting in the metal from the rust. You know, and that's what the rust was eating away at. But anyway, so even on the inside too, you know, I got it all cleaned out, and what I did to neutralize it, which is very important after you use a muriatic acid, I've got a bucket of baking soda water. It's about 2 gallons. So I just took some of that water and put it in the spray bottle here. And then I also used what this is called a Loctite Extend Rust Neutralizer. It's just a cloudy liquid. You can use it full strength. I just poured probably about 2 ounces in this bottle and then used it to neutralize. At first I rinsed with clean water, and then I went behind it and sprayed this all over it. It kind of turned like a light pinky, almost purpley color. And then I used a sponge and wiped it down once again. And then this is the finished product here. So there may be a light coat of that material on here. You know, that rust remover. It puts like it so that you can paint it now. But if I'm going to weld, of course, I'm going to just grind it up a little bit and make sure I got some raw steel to weld with. But I just wanted to show you guys what I've done to make this look this good. It's probably cleaner than it came from the metal supply place, you know, where you'd normally buy. But this is the pile that I had bought here. These are the other pieces I'm going to continue with, so that I got on deal. Really good deal, actually. So I'll continue. But that was about a 2-hour bath. 2-hour bath in straight muriatic acid, pool acid that you get from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's $10 for two gallons. So here I have just basically some 3.5 mil plastic that is probably 6 layers of it. I didn't unroll it. I just left it kind of thick and then just trimmed it off at the end. And I've got the 2 steel pipes identical to this in here, and then just 2 bricks on the end that kind of keeps it as a well. And so this one's going to soak 2 hours, and then I'll just come back and complete the process. So I need my 2 pieces for up front as I'm continuing. As you can see there, those 2 pieces on the ground are just test pieces that I'm gonna have to clean up. But anyway, so I'm getting the virgin steel ready to go and hopefully have a pretty good weld and solid trailer that's rust free.